Hi there. We are excited to show you some updates that we've made to the business review components of the platform. So first, if you go all the way down on the left-hand side to account settings, you will see that there is a new tile for business review settings. We've added the ability for you to create or define business review meeting types. And set one as default. So you can see out of the gate, we have business review, virtual meeting, phone meeting. You could create a new type. Maybe you just have a one-off or a check-in. Maybe you want to do an annual one versus a quarterly one, etc. You can do that. You can reorder these if you want them in a different order, and you can decide which are active and inactive. So when you save changes, we will go see where that lands and show you a few other updates. So now I'm going to go to the top in business reviews and take a look at what we have there. So you'll see the UI has gotten a refresh. So we're making everything look a little more consistent and cleaning it up. And I'm going to go take a look at the schedule settings tab first. If I go into here, this is where I can set the cadence, quarterly, monthly, annually, semi-annually, etc. Choose a start meeting date, and I can select a primary contact. I can also now select and modify default meeting attendees. So if I know that these are the folks that I want to always have at my default meeting or as my attendees in a meeting, I can save them here. And I will show you where that populates on the other page. Let me go ahead and grab an actual user for the primary contact. When I go into meetings now, I can go into a meeting and choose, again, we have the same options, but we've added the meeting status, and we will have also added, we created a new meeting status and we've added the meeting types. So you have your meeting date, your primary contact. You now have a new status, which is preparation. So this is so that on the calendar, you will be able to see if you've started doing some work on a business review. It'll be obvious across all of your companies where work is being done. The other reason we've done this is that previously, if you edited something in an auto-scheduled meeting and then changed your cadence, there was the potential of losing information in those auto-scheduled meetings. So now you can't save any information in an auto-scheduled meeting. As soon as you add any information, notes, meeting attendees, a date, etc., to a new meeting that has been auto-scheduled, it will automatically save it as prepared in the preparation state. You can change that and adjust it, but you will not be able to adjust it to auto-scheduled so that you don't lose any of your notes. Meeting type, again, you saw we added the check-in, so I can make this a check-in meeting. These were the meetings, the attendees that I had already selected, but now I can click, I want to choose my default meeting attendees. So that way, if you have a regular business review and there are always 8 folks you want to bring to the table, it'll always populate that way. You can see that notes have been updated a bit. I'm going to add a new note here. I can save and add new inside notes. So a lot of you that generate a lot of notes, that will be helpful there. You can also now reorder these. So that's been a request that we've gotten. You can still add artifacts, of course, and then I will save this. And now we'll go take a look in the scheduler. So when I go into the scheduler, you can see there's now a purple icon for the preparation so that you can drill in and see that I've already started working on this one. So if you have any questions, always reach out, support@lifecycleinsights.io. Thank you.